Here's what flips a regular meal to a business meal that can be tax deductible. It really comes down to two components. One is it needs to be with a business associate. So a business associate can be someone that's part of your company, an employee, a contractor, or it could be someone that's on your board of advisors, which could be just a mentor, a friend, or a family member. The second component is there needs to be a business purpose. So the conversation needs to be centered around a profit-seeking endeavor or just something that has to do with the business. So next time you're considering to eat out, make sure you're mindful of these two components.